Now, one of the main questions that have been going through my mind is how can I make payments to Uber without connecting my card to the Uber app or even have to pay with cash? Well, that's what I'm going to show you how to do in this video. How you can make payment using either barter or USSD or a bank transfer in the app. Very simple. Let's go right into it. Come down here to this icon that says account, then click on it. Once it opens up, you see wallet. Click on that. Once the wallet opens up, you'll be able to see all the payment method that you have chosen, your card or cash. Then go down and click on add payment method. Then it opens up and you're going to see this. You can use barter, USSD, bank transfer, or even credit card. But this depends of your country where you're from. It might be different if you're from another country. So this is in Nigeria and this is the payment options available on Uber. So we want to use the USSD as our payment method. So we're going to click on it. So right here, it says that the USSD has been added successfully. So click on done. So that's how you can add the USSD as a payment method. Click on it. Now let me show you how you can remove it if you don't want to use it again. Click on remove payment method, click on delete. Let's go back and see it has been removed. Let's go back and add it back. Okay, so click on USSD. Okay, successfully added. That's good. Click on done and we're back. So now let's fund the USSD. Click on it and we're over here. Click on add funds. We want to add let's add 3,000, then confirm it down here and wait for it to process. Now it's going to take us outside the app. We're going to click on Google Chrome, so it's going to open another page, so we just need to wait for it. It's not going to take too long. Okay, now choose your bank, then a list will appear. From that list to choose, we're going to click on it. After choosing the bank, it's going to process again, then give us the bank code. This is the code we're going to dial on our phone. So go ahead and click on copy. Then after clicking on copy, we're going to go back to our phone and dial this code. So let's do that now. If you made a mistake or you change your mind on the bank you want to use to make the payment, you can also choose another bank. So that's it. I've copied it. So it said copy to clipboard. So now I'm in my contacts. I'm not going to paste it here. Then I'm going to dial it. Yeah, and one more thing to take note of is don't make changes to this code. Just leave it as they are and just dial it on your phone. Okay, so right now it's processing. It says yes, says code is running. So just wait for a couple of minutes. Don't take that long. Right here you can see the amount and flutter wave Seagate USSD. So I'm going to cover some of these codes right here. I'm going to cover them up. So let's go ahead and click on send after typing in the code. Then after that, you're going to wait a couple of just seconds for it to send you a reply. So this it says your USS payment to Flutterwave with 3,000 is successful. Click on cancel. So, and that's it. We have successfully credited our Uber app with 3,000 naira to move around. We can just order for a ride. So next thing we're going to do, we're going to the browser. Not to the Uber app yet. We're going back to that same page that was opened up and gotten the alert. I've been debited. Cool. So back to the browser. Click on it. So now the browser has changed. The message has changed and it says thanks for your payment. Your payment was successful. This is what I wanted us to come back to check to make sure that it changes, it acknowledges that we have made the payment. So now let's go back to the app itself. So all we need to do is refresh this page. Just move your hand down and you can see the amount has been credited. It's appearing right here, 3,000. So right now we can now order for an Uber ride and choose our payment method to be Uber Cash. Very simple, right? Let me show you how you can do that. Oh, nice. Okay, so now how do we use the money we just credited our Uber app? Very simple. We just order for a ride the same way we usually do. Only different is when it comes to the payment method, we're going to change it to Uber Cash. Okay, so now we're going to put in our pickup location and where we are going. So let me see, I'm going to Mambu. Click it. After clicking on it, it's going to show us an option. We can use Uber X or Connect, which is different for packages, and we can use Uber X Share, which share ride. So just going to confirm it. Okay, done. So this is where we're going to make the change. So right now it's on already because I've used that for it. So I can switch it off, then still switch it back on, or I can just decide to use cash or my credit card. To make sure that you make the change before you start the trip, because once the trip have started and you have ordered for a ride, you can't change your payment method again. So let's go ahead and choose the Uber X, confirm. Now if you come down here and see, you notice the payment method is Uber Cash. Okay, and we also need to confirm the pickup location, so we're just going to click on okay now. So it's processing, and just give it a couple of minutes now. Okay, so we have a ride now. So and that's it, guys. So that's how you can use Uber Cash to order for a ride on Uber. Thanks for watching this video. Do check out this other video right here. I can also subscribe for